Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Haylou Fun application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page, and on it you should see your Haylou RS3. Tap on it. On this page, scroll down, find the unbind option and tap on it. Then tap on confirm. As you can see, it says successfully unbound. Then tap on I see. Here, close the app, tap on settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here find the Haylou RS3, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And once it disappears from the list of my devices, close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.